Alright, so I promise this is actually the last video of this case study. I just want to do a final update. All the campaigns have run through, and I've got the amount of money that they're going to pay me for the shirts, plus the little bonuses because we sold a little over the goals. So I just want to show you the results here and how much profit I actually made from the entire case study, which is pretty cool because I actually came out ahead. So let's take a look. You can see here that this is the first that one shirt that did really well. It was the well, I wouldn't say really well, but it did some profit. The first one for the Montreal Canadiens there, and then the one for Boston Bruins. Sorry, not the Bruins, the Blackhawks. And then this was that secondary shirt that I did for the Canadiens, and actually tipped, and it went in. I tipped it at 10 shirts, so I got $90 out of that. That was cool. So I didn't send any advertisements to that. That was like basically just a free $90 by adding it to this campaign based on what the comments and feedbacks were for that campaign. So let's add up the numbers here. And if you take a look, you remember inside of my Facebook there, for the Montreal Canadiens, this is the amount that we spent. So if we add all the numbers up over here, this is what I've got here. So this is what we spent for the Canadiens, and we spent $1,300. And we made $1,817 plus that 91. So you can see that over in over here. So that's the 118.17 plus the 91 from the other campaign. That's $1,900. You've subtracted 2 from 1,900 minus 1,300 there. That's $560. Now we did spend another $100 in those other designs, right? So if you remember the where was it now? I think it was this one here. The NHL one more. So we did spend $100 there, so we gotta take that into account. I forgot to add that in here, but we also look at the Blackhawks. These are everything I spent. So I spent $696. That's with all of these campaigns here, all these ad sets. So I added all of these ones up, the 285, 29, 69, and 11, and then we did that other separate one there for 300. And so I put that all into here, added up, and still made $264 profit on that one. So overall, we actually, let's see how much we made. So that we'll do the full amount, the real amount that we made here. So let's go with that other here. This was $101.82. So I'm just going to grab that and factor that in as well. So I'll just put it over here. But I want to add these two up. So let's just add those ones up. This one plus this one here. That's $823, and then I'll just take this one and subtract that one. So in the end of everything, we actually came ahead at $720 in 7 days from that entire campaign. So that's actually really good. I didn't expect to even make any profit on that whole thing, but that's good news for everyone. So awesome. So this is basically it. I just wanted to follow up on the exact amount that we made from this full case study, which was $721.70 to the exact cent. So, all right, thanks again for watching, and I really hope you guys like this case study. Cheers.